Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago. Well, the USDA always has some surprises for us on all their monthly reports, and this one's no exception. The USDA came out on the positive side, and they estimated the corn crop at 14,626, a 178.9 yield. That's down a little over 150 million bushels from their October number. They estimated the soybean crop at 4,600. That's down 90 million bushels with a yield of 52.1. But the USDA estimated our bean carryout at 955 versus 885, and world bean stocks at 112.1 versus 110 last month. So beans are down about 12 cents. And I kind of thought that that's what they would do, is raise world carryout. In the corn, the carryout 1736, it was 1813. But the big surprise was on the world numbers. Overnight, we saw where the China revised since 2007 their world corn supply, and the USDA adopted that. So instead of coming out with a 159 world corn carryout, it's over 300 million tons. And the whole difference between what the market was expecting and what they actually came out with is this new China numbers. Obviously, we can't get to that China corn stocks numbers, but it's probably more in line with what China has than what the USDA has been using. And corn's down about 4 cents on the confusion. For wheat is concerned, the carryout's 949 versus 956. World carryout, though, was raised to 266.7 from 260, and wheat's down about 4 cents. So it's going to take a while for the market to adjust what's going on. I still think that the key, big picture in beans, is whether we have a deal, trade deal or not with China. For corn, these numbers are friendly if you throw out the China data. And I think that corn will find some support once the funds get out of the corn they bought going into this report, and the market will come back and try it sometime, test the 380 on the December. Wheat market is still stuck in a trading range until we see exactly what's going on in Russia and if we can get any exports from them. Today's export sales report was basically on the low side of expectations, with cancellations out of the unknown on all three, corn, beans, and wheat. So we're going to have to let the dust settle. We're going to have to watch Washington. We're going to have to watch the conditions as far as we go into 2019 weather and figure out just where the new trading range is. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.